Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you are warmly welcome. And guys, thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are unboxing my Members Mark ceramic cookware set. So this set is the perfect dupe for the very expensive Caraway set. So Members Mark did a great job of copying. I will not even lie. The pots and pans look exactly the same as the Caraway set. So I had put it on my Instagram stories about it being #1 on my Christmas wish list, and a friend of mine got it for me. Guys, find good friends, okay? Alright guys, let's get into unboxing this thing. I am so excited and so thankful that I got this set. Alright, so it comes with a sheet with care instructions and all those kind of things. And guys, let's get into it. I got the black because I absolutely loved it in the picture. Now, when I read the reviews online, a lot of people said that the black was not a true black. And I have to agree and disagree at the same time. Depending on where the light hits the pot, it can look anywhere from a charcoal, like a very dark charcoal gray, to almost like a navy blue, to a black. I'm looking at this video now and it looks very black. So again, I think it has more to do with lighting. So I'm just getting all the pieces out of the box and then we will get into it. I opened the box up initially, like as soon as I got it, and then thought about doing a proper like unboxing of it and filming it. So hence why the box was open at the beginning. So I'm just getting all the pieces out right now. Alright, so as I get all the pieces out, I'm taking a look at the instruction manual or user's manual or whatever you want to call it. And I don't know, it keeps kind of reiterating the fact that you should only be cooking on low to medium heat. It says it shouldn't be a problem and you should still get really good heat distribution and all of that. So I pray that it all works out. And it also says not to use any of those cooking sprays, like the aerosol cooking sprays. It doesn't really give a reason why, but I guess it would affect the coating. I'm not too sure. I haven't read it. I don't plan on reading it anyway. But guys, let's get into taking a closer look at these amazing pots and pans. All right, I am just getting it, well, attempting to get it all to fit. And then I'll start with the frying pan. So there are a couple. So the first one, this one is quite big. So it is an 11-inch, which is a really good size. And I tried to see if any of the lids would be able to cover this specific one, and none of it can. So this is the biggest, I guess in diameter, this is the biggest out of all the pots and pans. So the next one up is a 4-quart, so it is an amazing size. It is a covered deep saute pan and it has a helper handle. And from what I've read and from the reviews that I've seen, the handles do not get hot as you're cooking, unless of course you put it in the oven. And yes, it is oven safe. It says up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's amazing as well. And then there's a 2-quart, like a covered saucepan. This I've been looking forward to a lot. Yes, it was dusty, so I was like rubbing it off. I love the fact that it has a lid. The one I have currently doesn't have a lid. So if you're making a sauce that needs to be covered, you have to use a random lid. So I love the fact that this one came with one. Alright, so the largest pot in the set, there is a 6-quart covered Dutch oven. It is a great size, like if I'm making bulk stew, if I'm making soups, any stock to freeze up, it is a great size. Like it's not absolutely huge that it's taking up so much space, but it is a great size. Alright, and then there's a 9.5-inch saute pan or frying pan. This will probably end up being like my everyday frying pan, mostly for eggs, because yeah, it is what it is. And I like the fact that if I'm making just a small amount of stew or whatever, the lid from the 6-quart can fit perfectly over it. So if I need to cover it up to make a specific recipe, I can. And then the pot that I like the best, it is so cute. It is a 3-quart covered Dutch oven. It is small enough that if I'm making a small amount of stew, it would be a great size for it. I love the fact that it has a basket in there, so it will fit in this 3-quart, like if you're using it as a steamer, because it will sit on top. And then in the user's manual, it also says that you can use it in the 6-quart and use it as a frying basket, which I think is amazing, like for when I'm deep frying. So guys, that's it for today. Before I go, I have not started using this, but from the feel and everything of it, I think this is a great set to add to your kitchen. I'll update you once I start using it, and I will let you know how it goes. Take care, guys. Bye.